time, India's message, which is loud and clear, that it will eradicate terrorism once and for all. And since India successfully launched its extensive fight against terrorism under Operation Sindoor, every suspicious movement is now being monitored with high priority. Where massive search operations that have been taking place across the Jammu region, focusing particularly on border areas and infiltration-prone zones as well. And this is coming at a time when the forces have also been conducting anti-terror operations. We're looking at, in the last 48 hours alone, 6 dreaded terrorists have been eliminated.
सच है विपत्ति जब आती है कायरों को ही दहलाती है शूरमा नहीं विचलित होते एक क्षण नहीं धीरज खोते These are our brave hearts who are standing strong on our borders 24/7. Even after Operation Sindoor, there is a comma, not a full stop. That's a strong message. And here we are reporting just from the closest area to the border, where continuously the search operations are being carried out. You can see that our forces, our brave hearts, are guarding our borders at the LOC, at the international border, and here to the nearest area, the search operations are being carried out. Even if there is a suspicion, they come over here to check the ID cards, to check so as to what is happening over here, whether there is any kind of suspicious movement or not. Not just the ID card, but the officials also go, the security forces, the SOG that you're here watching on your television screens right now, are scanning, scrutinizing each and every area so as to whether there was any kind of suspicious movement over here at night or not. Because remember that there have been several movements, there have been several tips that have been provided over here in the nearby areas. We'll come inside, Amit ji, to show that what kind of checking is taking place over here. Because remember that just within a few days back, how we neutralized 3 terrorists that belonged to LET. Before that, also 3 other terrorists were neutralized, and there was a tip-off of some suspicious element in this area. So that's why there is this massive search operation being carried out. Entire area also has been cordoned off. You can see that how the houses are also being scanned. If there is any suspected material also found, that also will be scanned over here thoroughly. And when they get a clearance, when they get that yes, everything is clear over here, then only a green signal is given. Here at my left hand side, as you can see, that the room over here is also being scanned. Not just one, but several other rooms being scanned under the scrutiny. The security forces, the SOG of the Jammu and Kashmir police, carrying out this massive operation, to keep a check. So Pakistan, hear out loudly, watch this, that even if we have agreed for the ceasefire, even if you have pleaded for the ceasefire, still, if you continue with your cowardly tactics, and we are sure that you will, because you are someone who can never be trusted. You are in fact someone who preaches terrorism. So that's why here we are on full alert. Our security forces are on full alert, guarding the border, each and every corner that comes under the sensitive zone. Here also you can see in the pictures as well that how they are all equipped with their arms, ammunitions, everything is ready. Even if there's a movement, then you will get a befitting reply, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already said that even one act of terrorism will be considered as an act of war. So you better be in your limits and understand what's coming up next to you.
Multiple reports that have been filed by Tetri on ground, giving you a sense exactly what the national sentiment is now looking like. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching